Theta value equivalent to 12.7179 rands a coin. The present cost range, 12.1132. 12.8037. The earlier day close, 12.2471. The change was plus 0.4708. Plus 3.84%. Opposite rates, ZAR to Theta. Theta cost expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, June 22. Cost 12.75 rands. High 13.64. Low 11.86. Theta estimate on Friday, June 23. Cost 12.77 rands. High 13.66. Low 11.88. Theta cost forecast on Monday, June 26. Cost 12.60 rands. High 13.48. Low 11.72. Theta estimate on Tuesday, June 27. Cost 12.51 rands. High 13.39. Low 11.63. In multi-week Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, June 28. Cost 12.47 rands. High 13.34. Low 11.60. Theta estimate on Thursday, June 29. Cost 12.97 rands. High 13.88. Low 12.06. Theta cost expectation on Friday, June 30. Cost 12.51 rands. High 13.39. Low 11.63. Theta figure on Monday, July 3. Cost 12.19 rands. High 13.04. Low 11.34. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, July 4. Cost 12.14 rands. High 12.99. Low 11.29. In about 14 days Theta figure on Wednesday, July 5. Cost 11.88 rands. High 12.71. Low 11.05. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, July 6. Cost 10.42 rands. High 11.15. Low 9.69. Theta figure on Friday, July 7. Cost 10.15 rands. High 10.86. Low 9.44. Theta cost expectation on Monday, July 10. Cost 10.13 rands. High 10.84. Low 9.42. Theta figure on Tuesday, July 11. Cost 9.48 rands. High 10.14. Low 8.82. In 3 weeks Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, July 12. Cost 9.78 rands. High 10.46. Low 9.10. Theta figure on Thursday, July 13. Cost 9.09 rands. High 9.73. Low 8.45. Theta cost expectation on Friday, July 14. Cost 9.12 rands. High 9.76. Low 8.48. Theta conjecture on Monday, July 17. Cost 9.00 rands. High 9.63. Low 8.37. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, July 18. Cost 9.35 rands. High 10.00. Low 8.70. In about a month Theta conjecture on Wednesday, July 19. Cost 9.36 rands. High 10.02. Low 8.70. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, July 20. Cost 8.91 rands. High 9.53. Low 8.29. Theta conjecture on Friday, July 21. Cost 8.92 rands. High 9.54. Low 8.30. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta cost expectation for June 2023. Before all else cost at 16.44 rands. Excessive cost 18.65. While low cost 10.50. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 14.53. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 12.51. Change for June 23.9%. Theta gauge for July 2023. In the first place cost at 12.51 rands. Exorbitant cost 13.67. While low cost 8.24. The found the middle value of cost 11.80. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 12.78. Change for July 2.2%. Theta cost expectation for August 2023. In the first place cost at 12.78 rands. Exorbitant cost 12.78. While low cost 10.83. The found the middle value of cost 12.01. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 11.64. Change for August 8.9%. Theta gauge for September 2023. In the first place cost at 11.64 rands. Exorbitant cost 12.14. while low cost 10.56. The found the middle value of cost 11.42. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 11.35, change for September 2.5%. Theta cost expectation for October 2023. In the first place cost at 11.35 rands, exorbitant cost 11.35. While low cost 9.48. The found the middle value of cost 10.59. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 10.19. Change for October 10.2%. Theta estimate for November 2023. First and foremost cost at 10.19 rands. Exorbitant cost 12.57. While low cost 10.19. The found the middle value of cost 11.18. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 11.75, change for November 15.3%. Theta cost expectation for December 2023. First and foremost cost at 11.75 rands, exorbitant cost 14.58. While low cost 11.75. The found the middle value of cost 12.93. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 13.63. Change for December 16.0%. Theta estimate for January 2024. First and foremost cost at 13.63 rands, exorbitant cost 13.63. While low cost 10.65. The found the middle value of cost 12.34. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 11.45, change for January 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for February 2024. First and foremost cost at 11.45 rands, exorbitant cost 11.45. While low cost 8.95. The found the middle value of cost 10.37. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 9.62. Change for February 16.0%. Theta gauge for WOC 2024. To start with cost at 9.62 rands, exorbitant cost 11.28. While low cost 9.62. The found the middle value of cost 10.27. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 10.54. Change for spring 9.6%. Theta cost expectation for April 2024. To start with cost at 10.54 rands, exorbitant cost 11.11. While low cost 9.65. The found the middle value of cost 10.42. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 10.38. Change for April 1.5%. Theta gauge for May 2024. First and foremost cost at 10.38 rands. Exorbitant cost 10.38. While low cost 8.61. The found the middle value of cost 9.66. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 9.26. Change for May 10.8%. Theta cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost cost at 9.26 rands. Exorbitant cost 11.30. While low cost 9.26. The found the middle value of cost 10.10. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 10.56. Change for June 14.